Hi, my name is Ruth and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are tired of having your sweet potatoes in the same old way, stick around because I'm going to show you a new way to enjoy them. This is a very simple and short recipe. It only has two ingredients. Those are sweet potatoes and butter. If you do not have butter, substitute it with margarine or Blue Band, but I can guarantee you the butter one will be more tastier. So I've already boiled my sweet potatoes and I'm peeling them just the normal way that you would, preparing them for the next stage. After peeling them, I'm gonna cut them up into pieces, and these pieces depend on how well your sweet potatoes are cooked. If they are mushy, just cut them into huge chunks. Mine were a bit overcooked, so that's why I was cutting them into big chunks. I'm greasing up my pan with 1 tablespoon of butter, and again, if you do not have butter, you can always substitute it with margarine or Blue Band, but the taste will definitely not be the same because butter has its own taste that it adds into the sweet potatoes, and that's what makes the dish very delicious, yeah, and unique. So I did this on a high flame, and I waited for my sweet potatoes to turn golden brown on the outside, and it gave them that crisp feeling. I mean that crisp finish, yeah, the crisp finish. So guys, is there any other way that you can prepare your sweet potatoes other than the normal boiling? Because sometimes it gets monotonous, I guess. So I'm looking for different ways of just spicing up the normal boiled sweet potato. So do share with me the different ways that you can just change the whole boiled, yeah. So if you have a unique way of preparing your sweet potato, comment down below and share. So at this point, my sweet potatoes had already started turning golden brown, and so I was flipping them, just turning them to the other side so that the other side could also get that crisp finish. And I also forgot to mention that I really don't like these sweet potatoes, the white sweet potatoes. I prefer they're not cream, the other color that isn't white. I don't know which color is that. I prefer the ones with the red peelings because they are more tastier. Yeah, they are more tastier than the ones with the white peelings. But I don't know about you. I don't know like which one you guys prefer. So also comment down below and tell me which sweet potatoes you prefer, the ones with the red peelings or the ones with the white peelings. For me, I prefer the ones with the red peelings. They are more tastier. So at this point, both sides were well done, so I took them out of the pan, and one was a bit burnt, but you know, a very simple, quick way of spicing up your breakfast. So thank you for joining me, and until my next one, goodbye.